This is not a performance. This is not fashion. This is not spectacle. This is not controversy. This is memory. This is identity. This is continuity. Welcome to Umkosi Wumhlanga, the Zulu royal reed dance. A living tradition, a sacred gathering, a declaration that a people still know who they are. Today, we journey together, not as tourists, not as critics, but as witnesses. From the royal homestead of Kwahangala Monkengane Royal Palace to the ancestral grounds of Enyokeni Royal Palace. This is the story of dignity, told through song, movement, and belief.
What happens when tradition meets modern education? In a rapidly globalizing world, cultures are often forced to choose between preservation and progress. But for the Zulu people of South Africa, this relationship is not a conflict. It is a dialogue. These two videos capture moments where Zulu cultural expression and contemporary life coexist, offering a powerful reminder that identity does not disappear with education. It evolves. The Zulu culture is one of the most historically rich and recognizable cultural traditions in Africa. Rooted in language, ceremony, music, and collective values, it has endured centuries of political, social, and economic change. At the same time, Western education has played a major role in shaping modern South Africa, providing access to scientific knowledge, global communication, and economic opportunity. The question is not which one should survive, but how both can coexist meaningfully. In this video, we see Zulu maidens confidently expressing Zulu identity while engaging with the modern world. Traditional attire, language, and movement exist alongside contemporary environments and global platforms. This visual coexistence challenges the outdated assumption that cultural tradition and formal education are mutually exclusive. Instead, it shows that a person can be culturally grounded and academically empowered at the same time. Western education equips individuals with tools, literacy, critical thinking, digital skills, and global awareness. When approached thoughtfully, education does not erase culture. It can strengthen it. Educated individuals are better positioned to document cultural practices accurately, defend cultural rights in legal and political spaces, represent their heritage on global platforms, teach future generations with clarity and confidence. Education becomes a means of protection, not replacement. The value of Zulu culture. Zulu culture offers something equally essential. It provides a strong sense of identity and belonging, moral frameworks rooted in community responsibility, intergenerational knowledge systems, values of respect, discipline, and collective care. These cultural foundations support psychological well-being and social cohesion, qualities often missing in purely individualistic societies. When culture is lost, communities lose more than tradition. They lose meaning. Interchange, not opposition. The future lies in interchange,
not opposition. Western education and Zulu culture can inform each other. Education helps culture adapt and be preserved responsibly.
Culture gives education depth, ethics, and context. When young people are encouraged to value both, they become bridges between generations, capable of navigating modern systems without abandoning their roots.
Why recognition and preservation matter. Cultural preservation is not nostalgia, it is survival.
Recognizing and respecting Zulu culture
Protects indigenous knowledge systems.
promotes diversity in global discourse,
Challenges cultural homogenization.
ensures future generations inherit more than just textbooks. Platforms like YouTube now play a crucial role in this process, allowing communities to represent themselves rather than be spoken for.
These videos remind us that identity is not static.
Zulu culture is not frozen in the past. It is lived, adapted, and carried forward by educated, confident individuals who refuse to choose between who they are and who they can become.
Preservation does not mean isolation. Progress does not require erasure.
The future belongs to those who can hold both. If you believe education and culture should grow together, support respectful cultural storytelling by liking, sharing, and engaging thoughtfully. Culture survives when it is seen, understood, and valued.